Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can design the Latch and Latch program in Siemens PLC Logo software using Logo Soft Comfort version 8.3. But first of all, I will like to show you in the picture this Logo PLC. This PLC is bulletin 8 inputs and 4 outputs. So just you can see the interface this PLCs look like. In my camera also I will show you this my PLC, this is which is connected with my PC, and in the hardware that just one light I connected with my Q output one, this one first one, and input we will be using by the this push buttons. Because of in this PLC physical, in this PLC don't have any lights, status lights where can be show the status of on and off. You have to be just see in the physical output with the PLC connected in the hardware. After you can test, or second way, in the simulation you can see only just the status of on off in the PLC. So let's go to the software and we will check. This is my Logo software. This one is already opened. It's very simple and easy to open. I will close this all, close and save. If any program inside this one have can be saved, yes, and now your program is completely closed. And now again I open for you. This is I have in my PC this Logo Soft Comfort version 8.3 is already installed. Click it on this one and open. When this interface will be open, which program is last you will be opened, that will be automatically opened. So any program have not have inside the PLC which I designed, so just we will design the new program. First of all, I introduce you this diagram editor. This is here I have some keys. This is first key is the selection key, which any escape, any tool you like to be select from here, it's you can be use this one. First you have to be select, for example you like to be connecting with the lines, this you can be see same like anything you have to be connect. For an example, a simple way I will show you this. When you take the contact, here is the bar, instruction bars, you can see this is the contacts, and this is special functions, and this is counter, this is analog. All things will be discuss all in serial way, step by step. First of all, we will step this one. For example, you like to be choose this and no contact, you have to be take and click it here. When you place this one, after you have to give the address. For example, I1 address you like to give, or I2, I3, I4 up to have here you can 124 inputs is available. And after when you select this one, after just click OK, and after this will be placed. So second you take one more contact. For example, this is I input 1, click OK, and you will be select this one. And this, for example, you like to make it here, you can drop and pick and drop anywhere in the program. You can take this one. This is very easy and simple. So I take this one close contact, and this is one open contact. And just if you like to give the comments also, this address just only you can see upside the bar, this is the comments and this is the simulation area. You can choose the comment, and here you can write the comment. For example, this I will make the start and click enter. No need to be enter this one, click OK, and your comment will be placed. And second, this one also we will make the correct address which we like to be using. This one I2 for close, and comment we will give here stop, and click OK, and your I2 will be placed. But this comment why not show, again we will write stop and click OK, and it will be placed. And next third number we have to be choose the coil which we like to be on our PLC, on our relay, and double click on this one and go to the comments and write it here, motor for example, or any you can put the light for example, I light, and click OK, and your comment will be also placed. And next row you have to be choose the open contact of your light Q1. So you have to be if you need open contact, you have to be choose the open contact and click it here. And now you have to be find where is your the open contact of your output coil. You can see is the Q1 output open contact is automatically placed it in the downside. Can click it here and click it OK. Now your open contact of your light is placed it here. You can put it here, anywhere you can place this one. After you have to be connect this all contacts and make wiring look like any. So you have to be choose this connecting tool, and also this when you click it on this one F5 one press also you can select, and also with the cursor you can also select. So just this is the main bar line which is the 24 volts. This line, this is the break contact with the close contact. Click this one, and after this will be connected. And next you have to be connect this line with the light your output. And after this line you have to be connect with this one. And after this line you have to make the holding contact with this line. So just click it here, and just you have to be go this point, and after your holding contact will be placed. And again you have to be click it the selection cursor, after you will be free. And this program, if you like to be little move complete all this program, you can select and all you can see. This is how much where you at the page you like to be take this. You can take, for example, I need to be here, can select and click OK, and your program will be placed it here. And then if you go back, you can select this one same like, and you can go back at your original place. Okay. And next one more thing, this I will explain you. If you like to be this spacing, for example, this your one contact is sorry, this one contact is here, and you want to be select it automatically, this equal just drag look like, and you have to be go it here, this one function you can see vertically align, and click it here, your all contacts will be automatically vertically aligned. And just this one program will be finished. After you can download to the PLC. This you can see here is the message PC2 logo with control D also you can select, and when you select this one look like click, and after 4 to 3 minutes you have to be wait, and after sorry not 4 to 3 minutes, this is just only 5 to 6 seconds you have to be select and test OK first, or direct you can click it on the OK. If your PLC cable is connected with your PC, it will be shown it here. And now he is asking for password, so give the personal password of the PLC. This logo, just type the logo, after you can connect your PLC to PC. Now it's OK, and click OK. Now connecting to device, again his message placed. Now this device is in run mode, change to stop mode, click yes, because of you have to put the must be program like stop mode, and after you can place. In PLC also you can see it's now got red this screen. This PLC have a personal screen also, and this have some keys they give which you can some like to be changes made. from the buttons can be possible, from the buttons can make changes. Now data transfer is busy, is completely okay now. And oh sorry, I want to be camera, this one only, just we have to make it small, and this we will be make it little here, and after we can see this all it here. You can see this is now white color coming. So now we have to be make the simulation. Just we can make it here simulation, and now you can see your all bar is first black color, now it's red color, and here simulation parts also will be available. And here you can see the downside. This is the play, this is the stop PLC, and this is the page simulation, and this is the button. Here also I can select. When make it on, you can see our light is now on, and when I stop this one, but it's now working with the holding contact. When I push this one, after this will be stopped. And if you physical, for example, like to be connected with the check your relay, already is connected my hardware with this bulb, and this is my push button, and we will use this push button. This is first push button is for on. See, our bulb is now on, and second push button I designed for stop. You can see this is the stop, this is start, and this is the stop. So this way you can use the start and stop from the hardware. In hardware wiring, as per same other PLCs, you know, this is one you have to give the plus voltage to your hardware, the button plus voltage, and this is the output you can connect in the inputs of the push buttons. This is my all outputs are connected. Four outputs are outputs of the push buttons are connected with the PLC, and these four wires are connected with the three wires only, just one is common, one is Q1 and one is Q2 with my second bulb. If we like to run by second one also, this bulb I will show you. Wait for second. We will stop the simulation, and we will design it here one more row, and I will take the contact here. It's very simple and easy. This is start, and you have to be just choose the change the address. This I0.3 you have to be choose and click OK. And next we will choose the output relay coil, and here this also address we have to be choose the Q. It's automatically placed, it's okay. And this connect we will be line this connect with this one, and this one just same like, and just go back, and again you have to be upload to the PLC after our both output will be done. So click OK. Give the password, logo, and next click. And puts in stop mode. You can see our PLC goes to the stop mode, and data transfer is busy, and now program is downloading to the PLC. It's very and simple method, just only little difference of the other softwares to design the program in the ladder. Click it OK. You can see now it's got white, and now you can make the simulation just. And now we will check our this one second bulb. Our we have to be run by I1.3. This one is button, I think so. This you can see this is our button is we just make the momentary button. This is any on off, will not make the whole thing. And this is our first button. This is our first button, and this is for second for stop, and this is third button we used for this one, this second our output. But this PLC don't have any physical status indications, so we cannot check by the physical in PLC. Just at the screen have some indications which is can be just on and of show 0 and 1 in the binary position can be seen. Inshallah will be later I will show you how we can check the status of the with the screen on and off. Otherwise now you understand about this how we can check the status of our PLC connected with our hardware and run by the push buttons. So hope guys you will be understand about this latch and latch program, how we can design in the PLC logo. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.